Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today we want to show you a brand new 215 XSF from Scout Boats in the crystal blue hull color. Beautiful new blue from Scout this year. Absolutely complements it with the hard top we have on this particular boat in the white powder coating. You can see on the back of here we have the Yamaha 150. We did upgrade this boat to the digital throttle and shift. We also have the trim tab option on the back here, and as well as the ski pylon, which we'll see inside in a second. Alrighty guys, now that we're in the cockpit, here is that ski tail we just mentioned off from the back. This is removable if you so choose to do so. We have our standard live well here in the port corner. We have our wash down hoses in there for our both freshwater system and as well as the raw water system this boat is equipped with. Here's our transom seat. This is newly reinvented. Here's our transom seat. This is a new design for the 2020 model year. Nice and clean, easy to maneuver, and as well as easy access to our bilge access. So easy to clean and as well as to get to our pumps and filters. We have our standard leaning post here with flip bolsters on both port and starboard, as well as our standard igloo cooler. There's cup holders across the back and as well as rocket launchers on the back of that leaning post. Moving up here to the helm, this is our standard helm with our standard steering wheel from Lumar. We do have this boat optioned with the 942 Garmin, as well as our standard Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We did upgrade this particular boat to the JL Audio upgraded speakers. We have a trim tabs like we saw at back, but we did the indicator switches here, and our push button controls, and then there's that digital throttle and shifting from Yamaha. We have USB ports and 12-volt charging ports inside the glove box there. And again, if we look up to our beautiful hardtop here, we have our standard spreader lights, both in the aft and as well as in the bow. Moving forward, full bolsters all the way across to the bow. We have systems access, but as well as large console for either storage or you can equip it with a porta potty. Moving forward, glove boxes with cup holders, removable backrest if you so choose to store them. But sitting in this boat for a center console, it's the best layout in the industry. Got storage under both port and starboard seats. We have a huge bow lounger with storage. So underneath this cover, insulated storage box as well as a cooler box. We have armrests under there on both sides, so it fits two people nice and comfortably. Cup holders right there conveniently off to the side. Up to the front, we do have our anchor access. And as well as we've upgraded this particular boat to the rod holder cup holders. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2021 Scout 215 XSF that we just received here in Charleston. If you guys have any questions, again, my name is Dotson Geist. We have Carl Anderson behind the camera. If you guys would like to call us at 843-747-1889. We'd be happy to answer any questions about this boat or any of the other models you've seen. Thanks for watching.